Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making our own After Sun Hydrating Mist Spray. So it's really, you could use it any time of the day. It doesn't have to be after sun. You can use it after you apply your makeup, or if you just need a general cleansing during the day. It's really refreshing. So stick around and I will show you how to make this right now. So you'll need a measuring cup, a large one with a little spout here. So we'll take 225 mils of distilled water. Then we'll take the rose water and we'll add 200 mils into our measuring cup. So right now you can actually just use this as is, but if you want it to be extra moisturizing, you just want to add some Aloe Vera extract juice. And we'll be adding 50 mils of this. So now we'll add the Aloe Vera extract juice into our mixture. So now we're going to add the hydrolyzed oat protein, and this is just really moisturizing, and we'll be adding 5 mils of this. So this is optional. And we just stir to combine. Really nice. So now you'll just want to use your preservative, and it's just going to make it more shelf stable. So I am going to add a 2% solution into my water here, but you will obviously want to make sure to follow the directions on your preservative. Just make sure that it's water soluble. So we'll just mix it all up. Now that you have it all mixed, we'll pour it into our spray bottles. So here, and it does make 500 mils, so just figure out what spray bottles you want to use. We'll just pour it in there. Just drop it. And any extra, you can always store it in a container and then just refill your bottle when you want. There we go. And then any extra, I'm just going to keep in here. So after you've put them into your containers, just put a label on there just so you know what it is. And this you can definitely tote around in your bag, and after a day of being in the sun, or if you feel like your skin needs a little rehydration, your skin needs a little bit of hydration, you can just spray. And it smells so nice. So really refreshing if you need a little pick-me-up during the day. It just feels so good. You can also use this after you put your makeup on, after you put some powder, just to make it look less powdery. Rose is just cleansing, it really is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, good job. Oh goodness, you're gonna spray my face?